I was an ambassador for LineDotArrow for the month of February, and she held the Shabby Your Art Challenge with Two Sisters Jam, Haystack Crafty Corner, Sweet Pea Papers, and Junk Journal tutorials and more. So I am going to show you my finished projects. I ended up making 2 journals, and then all the little projects are in there. I'm going to show you this one first, and then I'm going to talk about the other one. So I just printed the digital on plain copy paper, and then I covered it with shoe polish wax, and it gave it some strength and some shine, and then I sewed it, the lace and then the paper bag, and that became my journal cover. I did a 3-hole pamphlet stitch onto a piece of trim with the 3 signatures, and then I glued the trim into the center of the journal because I didn't want to poke the holes through the spine of the paper. I'm not sure how well this is going to hold up. I'm hoping it feels good for it so far, and I've been doing a lot of playing and it seems to be working out just fine. So the star of the show, of course, is Natalie's beautiful shabby kits. I took the romantic one and then the shabby rose, I think. So I'm just going to flip through this quickly, just show you a few of the tags and pockets. Most of my journals have a lot of writing space in them because that's what people are asking for around here. So I did use some book pages from a rose book. And on this one I put one of the little pockets. I printed out all the freebies for all the weeks as well, and there's a lot of freebies in here. So that's signature 1, signature 2 starts. Made a belly band. This is a greeting card with an envelope I put in there. I've used up this whole rose book, every single page. Right now I'm working on the 100-day project, making 100 bookmarks in 100 days, and the last few pages from that rose book I've made into bookmarks that I'm ready to decorate. Just have an extra piece of the digital folded up in there if someone wants to write something. Double tuck. Another tag. And then this is one of my last projects that I made with the heart and shabbied it up. This is my second one. I was planning on putting this, I made the ribbon roses from the ribbon, and I was going to put that on there, but I'm not sure the doily's going to hold up, so might find another idea for that. Same binding. This journal is a little bit more fancy because I find this one's with more of the romantic hue to it, so I have more of the ladies, a little lacier. Again, a greeting card in the belly band. Another piece of the beautiful digital. This is my second shabby button heart that I made. It flips out so you can write on both sides, and I put a little shabby heart on both and some buttons around it. So it's pretty simple. I think the rose book pages, the romantic touch in here. And this was my week 2 shabby heart, and this is what I want to show you how to make today. So this is what I'm calling the exploding heart. It has 3 hearts that explode out. So the first thing you need to do is to even out your paper, draw your lines, and these hearts can be made any size you want to make it. I've already have 2 more here, so I'm going to make the same size. So you line up your heart template. If you don't have one of these, any heart will work, I'm sure. You go around it. Each one. When you're finished putting all your hearts down, you cut them out. So they're cut out like this. Actually, this one has the line still on it. So the next thing you need to do is fold each one over like this, so that they have, your hearts are like that. Now for 2 of your hearts, you do not want to crease. The other 2 you can. So in that case, I'm going to go up this way. And fold these 2 in. And now you've got this. So these are going to be your facing ones. I find it's good to do it like that as well. So now all you have to do is just go like this, and there you've got your heart. So again, once you've got that folded, just pull it in, and you fold it in like that. So I usually will clean this up a little bit, and then I put 3 of them. You can put as many as you want, but I usually put 3 on each one. Glue them on each on top, and then decorate them, and then they explode out and then you open them. I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial on how to make an exploding heart. I would love it if you would subscribe and give this video a like, and share it maybe. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Natalie and ladies from the other Facebook groups, for putting on a great challenge, and for Natalie for providing these beautiful digitals. Have a good day. Bye-bye.